So YouTube introduced this thing called Shorts at the end of 2020, and I tried it out, and it had to be in portrait format. That's no good. I want to do things in landscape, so I'm going to do my own shorts. These are videos 3 minutes in length, and in this case it's the Rapido 66F. Just going to show you around quickly. If you want to know more about the van, you're going to have to come to the longer video. This one's on a Fiat Ducato, 60 years in business, and so it's a 60-year special edition of the van. As you can hear, caravan salon is being set up. So that for those that complain about me putting music videos, instead of putting a music video, I'm doing a walk around, talk around in under 3 minutes. So this is my new shorts type video. Right, oh, do you want to see the toilet as well, probably? Yeah, okay, you can close the door here. And there's the toilet. And if you're really fussy, you can close this one as well. Does it work? This is the big question. No, it doesn't. Why isn't it working? Has it been blocked? No, it's been blocked down there. I can see where it's been blocked, but it's been blocked deliberately as a factory sort of block to stop people like me coming in and messing around with it. So that'll be it. Face to face, you've got a stack of room in here. So, what do you think of that? Any good? These things here, centrally locked, currently locked. Let's unlock it centrally. There you go. And it opens like that. 2 or 3 burners. This one's got 2. If you want 3, it's an option. You may say how much it costs? Don't know, because I haven't opened the thing up yet. Right. But there'll be a longer video on this in more detail on this site eventually. But there you have the Rapido 66F motorhome 60-year edition in under 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.